Adding a pet to a client in Pet Sitter Plus is simple, so you have all the details needed for their care. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. First, log in to your Pet Sitter Plus dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the Clients tab on the left-hand menu. Pets are added to the client record. So first, we need to find the client to whom you want to add the pet. A quick way to do this is by typing the client's name into the search field and clicking Go. Open the client's record and expand the Client Information menu by clicking the little arrow on the left-hand side. Then click on Add New Pet, which will open a form where you can enter the pet's name and select their type. It's important to note that while Pet Sitter Plus comes with all the fields and pages preset for you, one of its key benefits is its ability to be customized to suit your business through custom fields. For instance, you can edit the list of pet types, allowing you to tailor your database to the specific pets you care for. We'll explore how to do this in more detail in an upcoming video, or you can check the help article linked in the description box below. Once you've entered the pet name and type, click Create Pet. This will generate the pet record and create pages and fields under the pet's name. The pages created by Pet Sitter Plus will be tailored to the pet type you selected earlier. For example, cats will have a cat visits page, while dogs will feature a behavior and walking page. With over 20 years of experience and development based on feedback from thousands of pet-sitting businesses, Pet Sitter Plus is incredibly comprehensive, and you may find the created pages and fields are already a perfect fit for you. However, as mentioned earlier, everything can be edited or customized to suit your needs using custom fields. Once you have created the pet record, you can then enter further information about that pet. It is important to note that with Pet Sitter Plus, while you can manually edit and enter this information yourself, something we'll show you how to do next. You also have the option to activate and provide your clients with a client portal. This feature allows your clients to log in and update their own pet's record, significantly reducing your administrative workload. You can choose how much information you'd like to complete for your clients and how much you prefer them to fill in themselves. You might like to invite your clients to upload a photo of each pet. This helps your team identify the pet quickly and adds a personal touch to your service. Furthermore, you can optionally allow your staff to access this information and, if appropriate, even update it. Pet Sitter Plus offers the flexibility to control what level of access staff members have. For example, while some admins may prefer to allow their sitters to update care plan details, others might prefer to restrict access to sensitive client information. This is where Pet Sitter Plus shines, as the system allows you to set clear permissions. Staff access can be tailored to allow them to view only the information they need or to update specific details, depending on your preferences. It's also worth noting that these permissions are fully customizable, ensuring that you maintain control over what your staff can see and do within the system. We'll cover how to configure these settings to suit your business needs in another video. In the Pet Details section under the pet name, you can add information such as the breed, age, and color. Once you've filled in the details you want, click Update at the top to save the changes to the client account. After that, if you wish, you can move on to the other pages under that pet and continue to add more information. Make sure to click Update at the top of each page to save your changes before moving on to the next one. You can add multiple pets for each client, however many you need and of different types. Simply continue adding pets by following the same steps until you've included all the pets that require care for that client. And that's it! You have successfully added a pet in Pet Sitter Plus. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about Pet Sitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.